What, are there different bolts for it? What's up everybody, Caitlin here from Xtreme. Yes, we are sitting on the floor, and yes, I am holding on to this tire and wheel package. Reason I'm doing this is we have yet to get this 2013 Dodge Ram Rebel up on our lift to get a 2-inch suspension BDS lift kit, as well as these beautiful tires and wheels here. So what you'll see in front of you is a 94R by RBP. This is an incredibly popular wheel. It's been around a long time. Not gonna lie though, it's a little bit of a pain in the ass, is why it is not a completed wheel. It actually has some glossy black inserts that go in each of these areas here, which I did not put on for time. However, if you want to see a completed project of these tires and wheels on this 2013 Ram Rebel, all you gotta do is make sure you subscribe to our channel, click that bell, and you will be alerted as soon as that video goes up. How cool is that? So anyway, for these wheels here, these 94Rs, I'm gonna take a peek quick at the size. It was a 20 by 10 with a negative 25 offset. The tires here that are matched, looks like it's an Xtreme MT2. We got a size 35, 12, 5, 20. So we got a real extreme wheel with a real extreme tire. And I will show you just how extreme this tire really is as I roll it towards you. Yeah, look at that. Look at how deep that is. I'd say that's pretty deep. Not getting stuck in those. Anyway, so again, we don't have these currently mounted yet, but if you want to go ahead and see this tire and wheel mounted to this 2013 Dodge Ram 1500, all you got to do is make sure you subscribe to our channel, click that little bell so that you are alerted when our video goes up, and you will get a true idea of exactly what this actually is going to look like on here. What better way to do so than in a video, right? Again, this has been Caitlin with Xtreme. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like up the post and comment and see what we can show you guys next. You guys have a great day. Talk to you later.